and today I will review a completely new lens of Canon, obviously. So let's go there and I will review and take some photos. I will add some video samples. So this lens is only 2 piece available. Okay, so no discount will be there, price is too short. To buy this lens you can check this number, there is WhatsApp, you can call me there. Okay, so let's go, I'll show you. So this is the lens, as you can see. Okay, so size is too compact, not too much big or not too much heavy, it's too handy. Okay, so these caps are made of rubber, obviously. You can open it from both sides, and as you can see there is written, if I show you, there is written Canon zoom lens 10x. It's made from Canon camera. So I will plug in and I will show you that in video mode how much. So today it's a cloudy day. Okay, so quite distortion could be there, like as you can see how much black border it is giving in this case. Okay, it is in the 4.2. and I'll show you some normal objects if I find in video mode, obviously, or photo mode, obviously. So right now I am in photo mode and this is the lens. It is 4.2, most beautiful lens with most hard magnification. So after plugging the lens I am getting this kind of interface. So as you can see, it is in infinity focuses. I will zoom here. I need to zoom almost 2x to remove the black border, and right now I am in 100, that is infinity focus distance, and I will try to shoot this. And as you can see, it is covering the whole area. Okay, magnification is good and clarity also good. So I'll try to show you that how much blur it is providing right now, even in 100. And if I do it in macro, that will be macro focus, short focus. So I am getting this much of magnification and this much of blur. So I will find some other objects. If I find, I'll show you. So I will shoot this object. I am in macro mode right now, and I'll show you that the lens, a perfect lens it is, you need. Okay, it is having good magnification. Now I will show you the highest focal distance of this lens. So highest focus distance of this lens is almost here 5 cm, 4 to 5 cm. And if I do it like macro manual, so here in macro mode, small or short focal length of this lens is almost here, is almost 2 cm. Okay, so according to the focal distance and everything, it is quite good, no issues there. And I will show you the focal area of this lens. So let's check the focal area. So as you can see, no blurry edges or no distortion you will get here, everything is fine. Okay, so this is obviously good. So now I'm in 100 and I will check that it gives bokeh or not. I'm getting good bokeh, so I will try this object. So I am getting this kind of bokeh, not much bokeh, but I think so due to what should I say, due to high magnification or great magnification, it is not able to produce proper bokeh. But you can see it's giving super flat background, greeny background. Okay, in this case, in this situation, you are getting this kind of background. Okay, so this is obviously a good lens. To buy this lens you can inbox me, I'll show you everything. Okay, thank you, bye right now for this.